Hi, I'm Tashi.
And I'm Lisa.
And we're here on another material science mission to set some boundaries.
Well, but not hard boundaries. The situation is liquid.
The materials you're going to need are water,
Visible oil,
1 tube of gel food coloring. Very important that it's gel food coloring. Pick your favorite color.
and a bottle of corn syrup.
And here's the equipment you'll need. 3 to 5 clear glasses. Glass works better than plastic.
1 liquid measuring cup, a spoon for mixing.
And you might want to record a video on your cell phone.
First, rinse your glasses with water to wet the sides. This will help you build a smooth boundary without creating unwanted bubbles.
In your first glass, add some water.
Then, add a layer of oil on top.
Look at where the oil and water meet. Now that is a boundary.
I'm curious, what will happen if something tries to fall through that boundary?
I don't know. Let's find out.
Okay, so you hold the gel food coloring close to,
But not touching.
yes, close to but not touching the surface of the oil. Now, we're going to very carefully release 1 drop in the center.
Very interesting. Now you try it.
Okay, moving on. So, in the second glass, add corn syrup instead of water. Then, like before, add a layer of oil.
Okay, now we're going to do the food coloring thing again. 1 drop of the gel right in the middle.
Go do it yourself. Observe what happened and be sure to write it down.
Wait a while and then see what happens.
Okay, off you go.
Which boundary do you think is stronger? But given what happened to the droplet at the boundary in those 2 glasses, now I'm curious what will happen if we make the bottom liquid a 50-50 mix of corn syrup and water. You try too. Prepare a 50% solution, half water, half corn syrup.
Mix well with a spoon till smooth and clear.
Then in a third glass, build another boundary with your 50% solution and oil above it.
And here comes the food coloring. What's going to happen next?
Think about what happened the last 2 times, make your prediction for what the droplet will do once it hits that boundary, and write it down.
Now it's time for the test.
Wasn't that cool?
That was cool. By changing the liquid on the bottom, the strength of the boundary changes too. I wonder what makes it different. Now, I want to try other mixtures, change it up, and vary the percentages.
Maybe try some other liquids. Vinegar, egg whites.
Ooh, egg whites. Yeah.
Every pair of liquids builds a different boundary.
Scientists call these boundaries interfaces. Important things happen there.
Okay, we're going to show you some results, so you better have done it for yourself by now, okay?
So, you've seen how an interface can act like a net. And the properties of the material forming the interface determines just how strong the net is going to be.
Surface tension can hold a drop of food coloring up, but if the force of gravity is stronger than the net, the droplet will make the net stretch till it breaks. And as you've seen, some materials make a stronger interface than others.
So, why would a scientist study liquid boundaries? Well, we got a lot of them inside our body.
Like the surface where your lungs touch the air that you breathe.
Or the boundaries between your brain and the fluid it floats in.
If we understand these interfaces, these boundaries, the better we can understand diseases.
The better to find cures.
So look around you. You'll find interfaces everywhere.
No boundaries on curiosity.
Okay, that was corny.
Corny but true.